வணக்கம். 8th Standard Science English Medium Lesson number 10 Changes Around Us. Textbook exercises. Choose the best answer. Number 1. Burning of paper is a dash change. Burning of paper is a chemical change. Second question. Burning of matchstick is an example for chemical reaction caused by dash. Burning of matchstick is an example for chemical reaction caused by contact in physical states. Contact in physical states. Third question. Dash metal undergoes rusting. Answer. Iron. Iron metal undergoes rusting. Fourth question. The pigment responsible for browning of apples is. Answer. Melanin. The pigment responsible for browning of apples is melanin. Brine is a concentrated solution of dash. Answer. Sodium chloride. Brine is a concentrated solution of sodium chloride. Sixth question. Limestone contains dash mainly. Answer. Calcium carbonate. Limestone contains calcium carbonate mainly. Seventh question. Which of the following factor induces electrolysis? Answer. Electricity. Electricity. Eighth question. In Haber's process of producing ammonia, dash is used as a catalyst. Answer. Iron. Iron is used as a catalyst. Ninth question. Dissolved gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides in rainwater causes dash. Answer. Acid rain. Dissolved gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides in rainwater causes acid rain. 10th question. Dash are responsible for global warming. Answer. Option D. Carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbons. Carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbons are responsible for global warming. Fill in the blanks. Photosynthesis is a chemical reaction that takes place in the presence of dash. Answer. Sunlight. Photosynthesis is a chemical reaction that takes place in the presence of sunlight. Iron objects undergo rusting when exposed to dash and dash. Answer. Air and water. Iron objects undergo rusting when exposed to air and water. Third question. Dash is the basic material to manufacture urea. Answer. Ammonia. Ammonia is the basic material to manufacture urea. Fourth question. Electrolysis of brine solution gives dash gases. Answer. Chlorine and hydrogen gases. Electrolysis of brine solution gives dash gases, chlorine and hydrogen gases. Dash is a chemical substance which alters the speed of a chemical reaction. Catalyst. Catalyst is a chemical substance which alters the speed of a chemical reaction. Dash is the enzyme responsible for browning of vegetables and fruits. Answer. Polyphenol oxidase. Polyphenol oxidase is the enzyme responsible for browning of vegetables and fruits. Say true or false. If false, correct the statement. True na adhe statement irukattum. False na false nu potu correctana statement we have to write. First question. A chemical reaction is a temporary reaction. Answer. False. It is not temporary reaction. It is a permanent reaction. The correct statement is a chemical reaction is a permanent reaction. Second question. Decomposition of lead nitrate is an example for a chemical reaction caused by light. Answer false. It is not light, it is heat. Decomposition of lead nitrate is an example for a chemical reaction caused by heat. Third question. Formation of slacked lime from quicklime is an endothermic reaction. Answer false. It is not endothermic, it is exothermic. The correct statement is formation of slacked lime from quicklime is an exothermic reaction. Fourth question. CFC is a pollutant. Answer true. CFC is a pollutant. Fifth question. Light energy may come out due to chemical reactions. Answer true. Light energy may come out due to chemical reactions. Match the following. Match A. Column 1 and column 2 are given. In column 1, rusting, electrolysis, thermolysis, food, catalysis are given. In column 2, photosynthesis, Haber's process, iron, brine, decomposition of limestone are given. We have to match it correctly. We can see the answer. Rusting, iron. Rusting, iron. Electrolysis, brine. Electrolysis, brine. Thermolysis, decomposition of limestone. Thermolysis, decomposition of limestone. Food, photosynthesis. Food, photosynthesis. Catalysis, Haber's process. Catalysis, Haber's process. Match B. In column 1, spoilage, ozone, tarnishing, yeast, calcium oxide are given. In column 2, decomposition, biocatalyst, oxygen, chemical reaction, food are given. We have to match it correctly. Spoilage, food. Spoilage, food. Ozone, oxygen. Ozone, oxygen. Tarnishing, chemical reaction. Tarnishing, chemical reaction. Yeast, biocatalyst. Yeast, biocatalyst. Calcium oxide, decomposition. Calcium oxide, decomposition. Answer briefly. First question. Define a chemical reaction. Answer. A chemical change is a permanent, irreversible change and produces a new substance. Second question. Mention the various conditions required for a chemical reaction to occur. Number 1. Physical contact, solution of reactants, electricity, heat, light, catalyst. Third question. Define catalysis. Chemical substance used to alter the speed of the reaction is called catalyst and the process is called catalysis. Fourth question. What happens when an iron nail is placed in copper sulfate solution? When you place an iron nail in a solution of copper sulfate, the blue color of copper sulfate slowly changes into green due to chemical reaction between iron copper sulfate solution. Fifth question. What is pollution? Due to human activity, there is an unwanted change in physical, chemical and biological properties of the environment. This is termed as pollution. Sixth question. What is tarnishing? give an example. Shiny metal surfaces and other articles lose their shining appearance due to chemical reactions on the surface. For example, silver articles become black on exposure to atmospheric air. Seventh question. What happens to the brain during electrolysis? Answer. A concentrated solution of sodium chloride called brine is electrolyzed to produce chlorine and hydrogen gases along with sodium hydroxide. Eighth question. On heating, calcium carbonate gives calcium oxide and oxygen. Is it exothermic reaction or endothermic reaction? It is endothermic reaction. Ninth question. What is the role of a catalyst in a chemical reaction? Some chemical substances are used to alter the speed of a chemical reaction. These substances are called catalysts. 10th question. Why photosynthesis is a chemical reaction? Photosynthesis is a process in which light energy from the sun is used by the plants to prepare starch from carbon dioxide and water. The sunlight induces the chemical reaction between carbon dioxide and water, which finally ends up in the production of starch. These chemical reactions is used by light are called as photochemical reactions. Answer in detail. First question. Explain the environmental effects of chemical reaction. Pollution. Due to industrial process and increasing number of automobiles, our environment is barely affected nowadays. So, there is an unwanted change in the physical, chemical and biological properties of the environment. This is termed as pollution. The substances which cause these changes are called pollutants. Generally, there are three types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. The types of chemical substances and their effects. Types of pollution. Air pollution. Chemical substances are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen, chlorofluorocarbons, methane, etc. Effects: acid rain, global warming, respiratory problems, etc. Water pollution. Chemical substances are waste water containing chemical substances. Example: dyeing industries, detergents, oil spillage, etc. Effects: decrease in the quality of water, skin diseases, etc. Land pollution. Chemical substances are fertilizers like urea, various pesticides, herbicides, solid waste, plastics, etc. Effects: spoilage of land, cancer, respiratory diseases, etc. Rusting. Rusting is a chemical reaction in which the iron metal come into contact with water and oxygen. It undergoes a chemical reaction called rusting. Tarnishing of metal articles. Shiny metal surfaces and other articles lose their shining appearance due to chemical reactions on the surface. For example, silver articles become black when exposed to atmospheric air. Similarly, brass vessels which contain copper as one of the constituents develop a greenish layer when exposed to air for a long time. This is due to a chemical reaction between copper and moist air to form basic copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. Explain how food items are spoiled due to chemical reactions. Spoilage of food and vegetables. Food spoilage may be defined as any change that causes food unfit for human consumption. The chemical reactions catalyzed by the enzymes result in the degradation of food quality such as development of bad taste and odor, deterioration and loss of nutrients. Example, rotten eggs develop a bad smell due to formation of hydrogen sulfide gas. Example 2. Decaying of vegetables and fruits due to microbes. Third question. Explain any three conditions that is required for a chemical reaction to take place by citing one example each. Physical contact. Some changes are due to chemical reactions by contact in physical state. Combination of reactants in their naturally occurring states, that is solids, liquids and gases, is referred as physical contact. Example, when dry wood comes into contact with fire, it burns with the help of oxygen to form carbon dioxide, which is given out as smoke. Solution of reactants. When we mix two substances, that is reactants, in solution form, the chemical reaction takes place to form new substances, that is products. Example, silver nitrate solution reacts with sodium chloride solution to form a white precipitate of silver chloride and sodium nitrate solution. Heat. In industries, limestone rocks are heated to get quicklime, that is calcium oxide. Hence, some of the chemical reactions can be achieved by the supply of heat only. These reactions are called thermochemical reactions or thermolysis. Higher order thinking questions. Explain the role of yeast in making cakes. Yeast decomposed the big molecule into simpler substances. In the cake formation, yeast fermented the sugar molecule. So, the sugar molecule is metabolized. Carbon dioxide and alcohol are released into the bread of making it rises. Second question. Burning the fossil fuels is responsible for global warming. Justify the statement. Answer. When we burn fossil fuels like coal to create electricity, it emits carbon dioxide gas. This carbon dioxide gas mixed into the atmosphere. This carbon dioxide is the main responsible for global warming. Third question. Discuss acid rain occurs due to emission of smoke from vehicles and industries. Answer. The emission of smoke from vehicles and industries contains sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide gases. These harmful gases are mixed with air. If it rains, the SO2 and NO2 gases in the atmosphere dissolves and forms acid rain. Fourth question. Is rusting good for iron materials? Explain. Rusting is not good for iron materials. During rusting, the iron gets corrosion. Further, rusting iron loses its reactivity. Fifth question. Do all the fruits and vegetables undergo browning? Explain. Yes, all the fruits and vegetables undergo browning. When the fruits and vegetables cut it turn brown due to chemical reaction with oxygen in air. Sixth question. Classify the following day-to-day activities based on chemical reaction by physical contact, solutions of reactants, heat, light, electricity and catalyst. Burning of crackers during festivals. Answer: heat. Addition of water to quicklime to make it slackered lime. Answer: physical contact. Silver ornaments become black on exposure to air for a long time. Answer: physical contact. Copper vessel kept in one open air for long time. Answer: physical contact. Thank you.